Imagine you have a magic map with the story of Aladdin, and when you open that map, a friendly genie comes out, and that genie tells you that you have the power to make your wishes come true. Well, oh my God! Just like
भाई
that,
को आइंदा पे
the
देती
being
हूँ।
that your inner genie, it reminds you that you have the power to achieve your dreams and make good things happen. Lamas don't want it. People, especially kids, to believe in themselves, work hard, and never give up on their dreams. So whenever you face challenges, remember your hope and keep believing in yourself.
ये खोलते हैं।
Greenville, he was not just a poet, but also a philosopher. He wanted to inspire people to strive for a better future. शाहीन कभी परवाज से थक कर नहीं गिरता और दम है अगर तू तो नहीं खतराए अवतार इकबाल always wanted the youngsters to be like eagles because eagles never stop flying. It means if you really want something and keep trying hard, you can do it just like eagles. If you are determined and keep going, nothing can hold you back. It teaches us to never give up and keep trying until we reach our goals. Ultimate aim of the ego is not to see something, but to be something. परोना एक ही तस्वीर है जो इन बिखरे गानों को जो मुश्किल है तो इस मुश्किल को आसान करके छोड़ूंगा. This is the message that Allama Iqbal gave to the youngsters. These lines give a message to never give up, keep trying until you reach your destiny.
अभी नहीं, भाई आएगा तब।
खुद ही को कर पूरा देखना ये है तकदीर से पहले पूरा बंदे से मत पूछे बता देगी रिजा करना. Allama Iqbal encourages for us self discovery. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of myself. Thank you. सजदों के एवज फिरदौस मिले ये बात मुझे मंजूर नहीं. बेलौस इबादत करता हूँ बंदा हूँ तेरा मजदूर नहीं.